Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to hop on here and do a quick video review of the Orville Redenbacher's original popcorn along with the Kernels Season's 8 flavor variety pack of popcorn seasoning. Now, first off, I think we all know Orville Redenbacher. I think this is the original popcorn that everyone's had. Luckily, they come in a big 8-pound size because my daughters are popcorn addicts along with my wife. So yeah, we got the obnoxious size, as I call it. But what we like to do is, because popcorn kind of gets boring after a while as it's not seasoned. It doesn't have, for me, it doesn't have much of a taste. But again, because of that, we actually picked up the Kernels Seasons little variety pack here. So in here, we've got the white cheddar, which is a flavor you like and know. We've got butter, we've got caramel corn, and kettle corn. These are probably the 4 flavors that are probably, I call them the traditional flavors of popcorn. Everyone has these, but what they also do is they also put in some flavors that maybe you haven't experienced before. One here is the nacho cheddar. Nacho cheddar, there is cheese popcorn, but I have generally only had it in that big tub that you used to get as a kid that had the 3 flavors in it. But this tastes a lot like that. So that nacho cheddar is a pretty good flavor. The next one here is ranch. A little bit of everyone knows what ranch tastes like, but it's a little bit different on popcorn. But I'll say, I put it on, it's not bad. As far as bacon cheddar, I've never had bacon cheddar popcorn until this. This is a really, really good flavor. It's kind of smoky, kind of tastes like barbecue sauce. Different. Really, really glad that I got it. And then lastly here, this green one, the cheesy jalapeno. If you want your popcorn spicy, this is the one to get. And it is a lot of jalapeno. It's a lot of spice. And just be prepared. I was not quite prepared for how spicy this one is. But yeah, so you can pick up your popcorn, and you can also pick up all the seasonings to go with it, and your popcorn night will never be boring again. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.